If you love Redmi Note 13 but hate bloatware, then stick around. Yes, the Redmi Note 13 comes with bloatware. Bloatware is software you might not use, but it can slow down your device by hogging storage, memory, and battery. Plus, it can send annoying notifications and sneakily use your mobile data or Wi-Fi in the background. But don't worry, you can remove or disable bloatware on your Xiaomi smartphone. Here's the scoop: uninstalling. This completely removes the app from your device, but be careful. Some pre-installed apps can't be reinstalled quickly, and removing certain ones can cause system instability. Disabling. This stops the app from running in the background and draining your battery. Ready to take action? Here's how: 1. Go to Settings. 2. Select Apps. 3. Select Manage Apps. 1. Pick the app you want to remove. 1. Click the eye information icon in the top right. 1. Find the app's APK name. 1. Connect your device to a PC or laptop using a USB cable. 1. Select File Transfer Mode, and there you have it. Keep your Redmi Note 13 running smooth and fast.